All right, let's take a look at a mixture problem. I think we had one of these in our last lesson that involved solutions with percentages, but we're going to be working with dollars and cents here. So Arabica, Arabica coffee costs $28 per pound, and Robusta coffee costs $8.75 per pound. How many pounds of Arabica coffee must you mix with 3 pounds of Robusta coffee to make a blend that costs $15.50 per pound? Okay, let's break this down. We've got a nice little table here to fill in. So we've got our Arabica coffee. How much is that per pound? They gave us that amount. They said that was $28 per pound. Let's see. The Robusta coffee, they told us how much that one was. That one is $8.75 per pound. And then what we're trying to find is a blend of these two that will cost $15.50 per pound. So I just filled in that first column. They gave us all that information, which is nice. Okay, so our next column, how much does it cost per pound? Or no, sorry, how many pounds are we talking? So the question is, how many pounds of Arabica coffee? So that's the thing we don't know. So we don't know how many pounds of the Arabica coffee. So I'm going to put an X there. That's our unknown. Must we mix? We're going to have 3 pounds of the Robusta coffee. So in the Robusta coffee, we're going to have 3 pounds. And then the coffee blend is a combination of these two, of our Arabica and our Robusta coffee. So we're just going to add those together, and that's going to give us our total pounds that we're looking for. Okay, so let's talk about total cost. What is the total cost for the Arabica coffee? Well, it costs $28 for every pound. So we would multiply our $28 times how many pounds we have, which we don't know. So that's just going to be 28x. Our Robusta coffee, we have 8.75 is $8.75, and we have 3 pounds of that. So we're going to multiply those together, and that's going to give us $26.25. All right, so if you notice, all we're doing is we're multiplying our price times the number of pounds, our price times the number of pounds. So the total cost for the coffee blend, the price is $5.50, our number of pounds is X plus 3. So we're going to multiply those together. And because we have an unknown in there, we're going to use that multiplication with a parenthesis, 1550 times X plus 3. All right, so that was pretty straightforward. We got some good information there. Now, let's write an equation. We're going to write an equation for our total cost over here. All right. So the total cost, the Arabica coffee plus the Robust coffee is going to equal this total blend. So that's our equation. We're going to write the total cost for the Arabica coffee, which is 28x. We're going to add to it the total cost for the Robusta. That one's nice. We already know that's 26.25. It's going to equal the total cost for the blend of the two, 550 times x plus 3. Now we just solve. Honestly, you guys, this is the hardest part, is deciphering and deciphering a word problem and then coming up, translating that into a mathematical equation. So to solve this, the left side looks good. We don't have any distributing, no like terms to combine. Over here, we are going to do some distributing there. So I'm going to carry down the 28x plus 2625 equals, all right, we're going to distribute 1550 times x is 1550x. 1550 times a positive 3 is positive 46.5. All right, solve the equation. We want to notice we have variables on both sides, so we're going to get those to the same side first. It doesn't matter which side you go, we do tend to get things to the left side. That will leave us a positive x value if that's our goal, so that works out. All right, 28 minus 15.5 is 12.5 x plus 26.5, nope, 26.25 equals, and we'll carry down the 46.5. All right, now two-step equation, we just solve from here. We'll subtract our 26.25. Carry that cancels, carry down 12.5x equals 20.25. To get the x alone, divide both sides by 12.5. So x equals 1.62. Great, x equals 1.62. What does that even mean? So you want to go back and just say, well, what did we just figured something out? What were they actually asking us to find? And they asked us to find how many pounds of Arabica coffee must you mix with the 3 pounds of Robusta coffee. So that X is representing the number of pounds of Arabica coffee. Keep stumbling over that word. So we need 1.62 pounds of the Arabica coffee. There you go.